Ready.
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Bot. Nice.
That was a good, whatever that was, rupture or something was there. That was beautiful.
Yeah, rupture.
Yeah, sick.
It's really good
Sick
timing to hit
pumpage.
the vines right after that.
Went right. It's in floating in front of him again.
Careful with the Roomba.
You gotta be shit. This guy's doing all these moves.
Oh, good, he's dead.
Dylan.
Yeah, we're chilling.
Word it up.
Wood pot.
Oh my god, I got wounded.
Oh, I LFP'd head. Okay, he didn't have it.
I did it.
No, Archer, go.
Oh my.
Good.
Game went crazy there. What the fuck? Address the vines.
Archer,
now.
Archer, Archer. Nice.
I gotta grab ready.
Yep.
Archer. Try and get Archer. I'm leaving.
Dead. Nice.
Nice.
Oof.
Up here. We're just doing this next part normal.
Normal?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, just normal.
Putting the blundy
With
on.
the blendy.
Hell yeah.
Are you right behind me? Can I start right away, you think?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
start.
you're good.
Holy shit, you gotta load this thing when you swap to it. The fuck is that shit?
Oh, did you grab bullets?
Oh, fuck. God
All good.
damn
Just
it.
still use
No,
it.
no, no plunder.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just still use it. It's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going right away.
Hold on, Trevor. I'm gonna let you know when I skewer him. Skewered.
Okay.
Watch the compost guy. Oof. I'm gonna play life here for a
It's not
second.
good.
He's dead.
Good, I'm
He's
good.
about to die. He's dead. Dead.
Yeah,
dead.
we're good. Turns out it was fine.
This one's not compost.
Okay.
Take him over to him, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
Or we kill him? Yeah, nice.
Skewer's on.
Watch, slam, slam.
Bending.
Swivel in a second.
Everybody gets shrivel. Probably one more. Wave.
I'm
I'm
stuck.
stuck.
It looked so funny. We're all just running around shooting the
Yeah.
BB.
Switch back if you have to. Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
You got the boss again?
No. I'm gonna cut through. I'm gonna cut. Oh
Huh?
no, I can't.
Huh?
Never mind. I was gonna cut through under the bridge to make it like a straight line.
As soon as Archer and Soldier are dead, we move.
Go.
Moving.
I'm gonna get them out again.
Got a lot of crawlies.
We're good on
Pot.
mobs. Really good on mobs.
What? Yeah, word pot.
There's a lot of shit behind me. Lost healing a little bit. Okay, get soldier, get soldier. Don't die to him,
I'm
careful.
so behind. What the fuck?
Good, you're good. We're in really good time.
What happened?
Yeah, what?
I
So
opened
good.
my inventory somehow. I did not press tab. That's
God,
very annoying.
what a throw.
Now we got this.
We're still chilling here.
Yeah. Go, go, go.
We're good on mobs, right?
Yeah, no
After
mob.
this fiend.
Oh, don't need any.
Watch the other archer here.
Just go.
Watch out, rain, rain. Holy shit.
The ball, the
Careful,
archer's
archer.
coming. Put a pylon,
Archer.
right?
Fine.
Dude.
I got the Archer. We're fine.
I couldn't
Okay.
swap. I couldn't swap the rapier. It's in combat all the time.
Oh, I used that. Why did I use that? Oops. Out of poison, out of poison. I'm on a bridge side.
Get close, get close.
I don't have enough stam for this. Get ready for next pylon after this.
Yep.
Don't die to this, Trevor.
I know.
Not worth
Get close,
risking.
get close.
Oh,
Shriveled?
Regain my
Get
stamina.
ready for pylon. I'm on bridge side.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Let's
10
go.
seconds faster.
Dude, we'd be like 3 seconds
Go.
faster at least.
We would have been
at
at like at least 10, 15, yeah. We waited
10,
a
15,
while, bro.
bro.
We were
I didn't
dude, we
do
were
that.
at the
Let's
door at
go.
like 6 minutes.
No, I was not there that hard.
Yes.
Usually, or Trevor
got
is
it.
like putting the torch in by the time we finish that clump.
Yeah.
So that was a lot of
Yeah.
time. Nice.